Hey guys, Tyler, and today I'll be doing a video on this MewTwo 23 karat gold plated trading card game, and then this blister pack and these 4 amazing packs. So guys, this is my first giveaway, and how to win this MewTwo card is very simple. All you have to do is subscribe, like the video, and comment MewTwo. So I'm just going to give you a quick little review of this. Get the package open. So here's the Pokeball that it comes in. Not seeing. Open. There we go. This is the Mewtwo. There's also Pikachu, Jigglypuff, and Togepi. That's all I can really remember. I'm 150 Mewtwo. So guys, remember, if you want to win this card, all you have to do is subscribe, comment, like the video, comment MewTwo. Put it back in the box. So, now I'm going to cut open these packs. The pack. Scissors. Actually, no. Code card for you guys. That's probably a bit better. And then we have the Ultra Necrozma Holo card, Ultra Beast. It's a really cool card. At the back. And then we're going to show the coin. Oh no. Okay. So it's a nice sparkly, glittery Alolan Ninetales coin. Already got one of these. So now we're going to cut these team up packs. Scissors. And guys, we're going to change angles. Alright guys, I'm back. So, we've got these team up packs. I really hope the gods will help us get the pulls. Solid green. It's a code card for you guys. I haven't done a video in a while. Staryu, Poochyena, Alolan Geodude, Paris, Joltik, Alolan Ninetales Reverse, Mandibuzz. Got to the card trick. Guys, this is how long I haven't opened Pokemon cards for. I forgot to do the card trick. Silly me. I'm also going to be doing a code card giveaway video. Can't forget the thing. So, Fighting Energy, Grass Memory, Kakuna, Rapidash, Pinward, Staryu, Honedge, Weedle, Dratini, Reverse Parasect, and a Primeape regular rare. So you guys see what gives me the worst luck. Oh my god guys, guess what? A solid green. Grass Energy, Jasmine, Judge Whistle, Cosmoem, Charmander, Staryu, Litten, Zorua, Weedle, Jinx, Mightyena. So, got this team up pack. Also white and green. Fighting Energy, Evelyn, Ponyta, Honedge, Pidgeotto, Ponyta, Magikarp, Execute, Reverse Primeape, and an Incineroar GX. Nice. Now that is something called a good card, guys. That is a really nice card. Wow, put that thing at the back. So, last 2 packs, guys. Oh, so white and green again, guys. Oops. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nidoran female. Magikarp. What? Reverse Squirtle. What? Ampharos GX. Guys, what? What? Electric Energy, Charmander, Alolan Grimer, Zorua, Electro Charger, Alolan G. What? How many cards is this in this pack, quickly? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What? I actually don't know what just happened. Did Pokemon cards make a mistake? Another white and green. Grass Energy, Meowth, Farfetch'd, Mareep, Mankey, Dratini, Pidgey, Hitmonlee, Reverse Poochyena, and Gengar and Mimikyu GX. Guys, you guys might have thought that I've tampered with these cards, but I have not. I swear. This is a ridiculous recap. So, this recap is Ultra Necrozma, Gengar and Mimikyu GX, Ampharos GX, Incineroar GX. So guys, that's the end of the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. And remember, MewTwo giveaways on. So remember, comment, like, subscribe, and comment MewTwo. Bye!